Hi, and I'm just going to walk you through the process of joining and signing up to CleanGold and creating your own account. So this is the homepage, and basically you can scroll down here, and there's a lot of great information for you to read up on and find out all about the CleanGold opportunity, the clean mining, and the digitization of the gold. So once you're clear that you want to participate, you can just come over here, and we just click this button, or you can click up here in the navigation bar when you're scrolling down. You can just click that. And if we click over here, you'll see it pops up on the screen, and we can just very quickly and easily register. So the first one, we just type in our name. So I'm just going to type in my name here. And so I'm just going to type in my email address here. And you would type in a referral here. So anybody you would have heard this from, you just can type that into that field there. Basically, whichever country you are from, that's what you want to type in. So you can select whatever password that you want to have here. You just have to retype it in both here. Click agree to the terms and conditions. You just click create the account. Then it just pops up saying, thank you, the sign up process is almost done. You just have to verify your email address. And so we're just going to close that little window down and go to our email box. If you happen to have clicked over here on the navigation link, it's going to pop open the whole sign up window, which as you can see has exactly the same fields, including if you've referred it from somebody and you type in a password. And so it's exactly the same. I just go over to my email address and show you how to click on that verification email. As you can see here, what we have is the welcome email. Important, please verify your email address. This has come in to the inbox, and you're just going to want to click this button, confirm email address, or click this link. As soon as you do that, it takes you back to the website and you can log in. As soon as you log in, the next email that you're going to get is going to be the welcome email. So after you've verified your email address, you're going to come in and log in to your CleanGold account. So you just go to buy.cleangold.io/login. It takes you right here. You can also get to that link straight off the CleanGold website in the navigation bar. So it's very straightforward to come in and sign in, log in. So I just type in your email address here and your password right underneath it. If you like, you can click on remember me. If you've forgotten your password, you can just click here and you enter in your email address, and it'll send you a verification email just to create a new password. But I've got the password in, so we're going to click on sign in. That's going to log us in, and I'm going to show you the first couple of steps that you need to follow. When you first log into your account, the very first time, before we activate your account, we need you to answer a couple of questions quickly. There's not very many here. So basically the first one is, are you a participant in the gold market? Meaning, do you regularly buy and use gold? So if you're a user of gold, if you use gold, if you regularly buy it, if you buy it sometimes, then you can click yes. And that's the only question that you have to actually answer there. If you're not actually doing that, if you haven't purchased gold, if you're not involved in gold, you can click no. And so we're just going to click no, because if you click yes, that's it. That's the only question you have to answer there. And that's all you have to disclose is, yep, I see myself as regularly buying, using gold, participant, then you're straight in. I'm going to click no and show you what happens next. The next question is, are you a sophisticated investor? And if you click no, well, unfortunately, we can't actually sell clean gold to you. You have to either be actively participating in the gold markets, or you have to be a sophisticated investor. If you say no to both of these, unfortunately, you're not able to actually buy the CleanGold digital certificates. So you want to say, to actually buy them, you need to be saying yes, that you're a gold participant, actively buying gold, or that you're a sophisticated investor. So I'm going to click yes to the sophisticated investor in this example, and it's either that I'm an individual or I have a business entity. So I'm going to say that I'm an individual, not moving forward with a company. And then the last part of this is my individual net worth between myself and my spouse greater than $1 million, excluding equity from your private residence, but including any indebtedness on my primary residence in excess of its fair market value. Tick that. Or my individual income in both 2010 and 2011 was greater than 200,000, or my joint income with my spouse in both 2018 and 2019 was greater than 300,000, and I have a reasonable expectation of reaching the same in 2020, and that's in US dollars. So between those two, yeah, I'm just going to click this and click submit. And those are the questions. that need to be answered. As you can see down here, there was a message that says now you're able to buy the gold. So the next pop-up that happens is the final step here is a identification verification process. And so we need to click on identity, and me being an Australian, now we just type in that, whatever country you're from, because you have to submit one of these documents. The passport is the best one, or potentially perhaps you would go with a driver's license. And so what happens here is I recommend going with passport, provided you have one. You can just snap it with the camera on your computer. You can upload it, or you can continue on your phone. So if you're doing this on the phone, if you're doing it with a computer, you just bring the passport up to the webcam and you can take a photo of it there. I'm just going to do the upload. So I've already taken a photo of it in the past. You need to make sure that the four corners are visible. Make sure the four corners of your document are fully visible. You want to avoid any glare, so no glare that could hide any information on the document. And obviously it needs to be good quality picture, so with the clear information fully visible. So once we've been clear on all of that, we can just click next. You can either just click drag and drop, and you just drag the image of your passport here. If you're doing the driver's license, it would have to be both the front and the back. So you have to submit two images for a driver's license, but it's just a single image for the passport. So then I'm just going to click on the upload, and I just go and find the file in my computer. Now remember, you have to have all four corners of the passport visible, just like that, and click submit. And that's basically it. That's all that you have to do to verify your identity and with the account. And we just click finish. It's going to be pending. Now it is going to take just a little bit of time. We just have to do a check on that, and once that verification is finished, you'll be notified and you can come back and log in. After you've logged in and you've done your KYC, your identity check, then you get this email just saying thank you for submitting, and we'll be getting back to you with a confirmation as soon as we've processed your identity verification. Once you log back in, you can then purchase the gold. Once your account has been successfully verified with your identity and your KYC is approved, you'll see the icon, the label switched here to KYC approved. And once you have that, you can log in and click on the Buy Gold menu item, which takes you over directly to the page where you can select which form of currency that you want to use for payment, and also how many CleanGold CGTC digital certificates that you actually want to purchase. So you might want to type in here like 50, for example, and that will show you, that's including the discount there. That's showing you how much dollars you'll need to be sending because we've selected the dollar amount there. So if you're wanting to use a type of cryptocurrency payment, this is obviously for the fiat payment here. And once we've selected that, we click on make payment. But if you were choosing, let's say, Bitcoin, it's showing you the amount in Bitcoin, or Tether, or Ethereum, showing you the amounts for each one, Litecoin or USDC, each of those, but we'll go with the USD, the fiat dollars there. We've typed in 50 CGTC tokens. Now we make the payment, click on that, and it takes us through to the next screen where we basically click on yes via bank transfer. I hereby agree to the token purchase agreement and sale, and we click on buy tokens now. Once we've done that, it shows us the pop-up box that shows us what we need to do to confirm and make our payment. So here are the bank account details to view the transaction, the order number, etc. So basically, you copy all this down. You can basically just select all that, copy that into a notepad on your computer, or you'll receive that in an email as well. So you've got the details there, do a screenshot, and you can move forward with confirming your transaction. So that's the whole process. It's very important that you actually verify your email address that enables the whole account to be created, and then just follow the steps. You'll be onboarded, and we really welcome having you on board to the CleanGold platform, and can't wait to share this opportunity where we get to bring you CleanGold, and together we help to revolutionize an entire industry.